Can AI turn a basic pivot table user into advanced pivot table user within 10 minutes? Okay, you can build a basic pivot table. Sales by region, sales by salesperson, revenue by product and customer. But do you struggle when the reports become more complex? Could AI bridge that gap? In this video, we'll test whether AI prompts can guide someone with only basic pivot table knowledge to build more advanced management reports. For each example, we'll give AI a real business question and ask for step-by-step instructions. We will use the free versions of Gemini and ChatGPT, as not everybody has access to Copilot. But of course, these prompts can be used with Copilot. We'll then follow those instructions exactly to see whether AI delivers the correct result. Here is our data. It's a small sales data sample with just 5,000 records. So test one will be product sales by region and month. So the business question is, how many laptops were sold in each region every month per year? We also want it as a percentage of total sales with everything on the same pivot table. Here is the AI prompt. I know how to create a basic pivot table. I am using Excel 365. Using this sales data set, explain step by step how to build a pivot table showing the total units sold for the laptop product in each region for every month. Also group the months by year as well. Finally, show it as a percentage of total sales. All of these needs to be on the one pivot table. Explain exactly where each field should be placed. Be precise. I am going to build the pivot table by exactly following the instructions given by Gemini. I will speed up this process for your convenience. Once completed, I will test the pivot table. Excellent. It has put two instances of value unit dash items sold into the value box. This is a key building block when creating more complex pivot tables. Here we have the final pivot table. Gemini has done very well. We have units sold per year for laptops per region. We can also see other products as well by clicking here. The analysis is then broken down into months as requested. We have in the same pivot table, them as a percentage of total sales, marks out of the 10 for Gemini. A full 10 out of 10. Let's test AI with another question. Test 2. Identify the best salespeople. For this one, the business question is, who generates the highest revenue and profit within each region? Also show them as a percentage of total revenue and profit. Here is the AI prompt to help us build this pivot table. I know how to create basic pivot tables. I am using Excel 365. Using this sales data set, explain how to build a pivot table that groups salespeople within each region and displays both revenue and profit. Also show them as a percentage of total revenue and a percentage of total profit. Show me exactly where each field should be placed, how to sort the salespeople from highest to lowest revenue. I will use the free version of ChatGPT for this one. As before, I will build the pivot table by exactly following the instructions given, and then I will test it. Here we have the final pivot table, this time created with instructions from the ChatGPT model, and it also gets 10 out of 10 marks. The instructions were clear and precise. It has grouped salespeople within each region in absolute terms and also as a percentage of total revenue and profit, as requested. It then showed us how to sort the salespeople by largest revenue earners. Tips for writing better AI pivot table prompts. 1. Start with your skill level. I know how to create basic pivot tables. 2. Tell AI your Excel version. I am using Excel 365. 3. Describe the business question. Don't ask for a pivot table, ask for the report you want. Which salesperson performed best in each region? 4. Tell AI what calculations you need. 5. Mention any conditions. Examples. Group by year and month. 6. Ask AI to explain every step. For example, explain exactly where every field should be placed. Don't skip any steps. Be precise. Remember, don't tell AI how to build the pivot table. Tell AI what business question you want answered. Let AI decide where the fields belong. Then always test the results rigorously.
Whether you're looking to improve your own Excel skills or train an entire team, we've built a practical course for real-world Excel users. Our 6-level online program takes learners from beginner to advanced and now includes using Excel with AI, ensuring every skill level is covered. For businesses and universities, we support groups from 3 users to over 1,000. Managers can track progress, monitor results, and see team performance in real time. Course levels include online exams, and learners who achieve 75% receive an automatically generated CPD-certified Excel certificate. Individual and corporate group licenses available. Learn Excel. Work faster.